Hello friends. So we are into the sixth part of the chapter, the life processes for 10th standard science. Well, up till now we have discussed about the mouth and the food from the mouth entering into the esophagus. Now we shall focus on the stomach region. Now the partially digested food from the mouth enters the stomach and it is basically churned properly for nearly 3 hours. So inside the stomach, the proper churning, the proper mixing of the food basically takes place round about for 3 hours. Now inside the stomach, the wall of the stomach has specialized gastric glands, and these gastric glands, they release 3 major juices. The first one is the dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid, enzyme pepsinogen, that is the inactive form of it, and the mucus. Let us see the role of all 3 of them with the food. The first one, that is the dilute HCl. It mainly creates some sort of acidic medium inside the stomach, and because of this acidic medium, a lot of biochemical reactions will be taking place. Fine. The second one, it will be killing the bacteria. So whatever harmful substances might have entered the mouth through the food, by somehow it will be killing it off with the help of its specific action. And the third major reaction of the dilute HCl is that it converts this inactive pepsinogen into the active pepsin. Now this pepsin is a protein digesting enzyme. Now it is in its active form, so it is a protein digesting enzyme, and this pepsin will be later on converting the proteins into some sort of smaller molecules. So the bigger complex molecules of the proteins are converted into the smaller molecules. Fine. And the last but not the least, that is the mucus. This mucus protects the wall of the stomach. This entire wall of the stomach is ultimately protected from the harmful effect of dilute HCl. Well, the partially digested food from the stomach enters into the small intestine. But this food will not go into a random manner. There are certain muscles which are present at the junction of stomach and small intestine, and these muscles are said to be the sphincter muscles. They will be allowing the food to go into the small intestine in a gradual manner. Fine. Now, small intestine, it is the largest part of the entire alimentary canal, and in an adult human being, it is around about 6.5 meters long. The length has a lot of variations. In case of the herbivores, it is a bit longer in nature than in case of the carnivores, because herbivores, they have to eat the grasses, and the grasses have the cellulose, which takes a bit of longer time for the purpose of digestion. While in case of the carnivores, as they are flesh eating, the entire small intestine is mainly small in nature. Fine. Now, this small intestine, it is also the site for the complete digestion of 3 major substances, that is the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. And in doing so, there are a lot of secretions which ultimately help in this proper and the complete digestion of it. That is the secretion from the liver, the secretion from the pancreas, and the third, that is the intestinal secretions also. Thank you very much.